podcast means we have reached 1k subscribers. Without you guys it's not possible, so thank you so much for this. You guys have always shown lots of love and support to me. Once again, thank you so much. I'm really very happy. This means a lot to me because whenever I upload a video, I was not very sure if you guys will watch or like the content, but so far it is so good. And thank you so much once again, and I'm sending you this virtual hug to each one of you. Please accept this and continue your support. And hey, if you're watching this page for the first time, hi, I am Ilakya. I upload videos on lipstick swatches, hair care, sometimes skincare. If that sounds interesting to you, please take a moment to click subscribe and ring the bell. Now let's get into the video. Most of you must have heard about Lenskart. If you haven't heard, it's a place where you can order your eyewear like contact lens, specs, sunglasses, all those eyewear stuffs. Recently I purchased 3 pair of colored power lens from them. The color I chose are grey, sterling grey and honey from the brand Fresh Look. The lens comes in this pack, which you will have a pair of lens inside. If you have same power, you don't have to buy other. Since I have 2 different powers on my eyes, I had to order 2 boxes. So I received 6 boxes. Each box cost rupees 995. But during a sale, I got it for 750 rupees, and there was one more offer going on. For every 2 boxes, you will receive a comfort solution. For today, I am going to try out the grey lens and sterling grey so that you guys will know the difference between the two in case if you are planning to buy one. What I am wearing right now is grey color. I am not sure if you guys can actually notice the difference, but this is grey color which is not too bright or too mild, which is perfect for everyday wear. Right now I'm wearing sterling grey on this one and grey on this one. The difference between both are the grey is more popped out in this sterling grey and it is muted version of the grey color here. I'm not sure if the camera is doing the justice, but in person there is a difference between both my eyes. This is more popped out and this is like okay. If I have to choose between both, I'll choose grey color because I don't want my eye to be like this. When I was asking my mom, is there a difference? She was literally scolding me for wearing contact lens one. Second one, it is a colored contact lens. In Tamil Nadu, in Tattu, in a typical Tamil family, this is not allowed. This is beyond something, okay? That's a different story. But when I was asking, is there a difference? She was like, yeah, there is a difference. This is more poison snake eye. This is normal poison snake eye. That is how she told me. In Tamil it is like, இது ரொம்ப பாம்பு கண்ணு மாதிரி இருக்கு, இது பாம்பு கண்ணு மாதிரி இருக்கு. I don't know, but she told me like this, and yeah, this is how it looks like. Now talking about the lens itself, I own both the lens for 7 to 8 hours for testing its comfort. I must say it is very comfortable. There is no dryness, no itchiness, no irritation. It was very comfortable throughout 8 hours. But if I'm trying to wear beyond 8 hours or 8.5 hours, I felt some kind of discomfort. Something like it starts to get dry. Make sure your eyes are clean and the lens are clean. If you have small tiny dust, it is going to irritate like hell. I made that mistake. I washed the lens and my hand thoroughly, but still there has been some little hair on my eye which irritated me like hell. I was watering, I didn't know what to do. It just started itching. So then I removed the lens and cleansed once again. I cleaned the lens. I also washed my face with water. Then I wore. It's been almost 4.5 hours. It's very comfortable. It's not itchy or anything. It is okay. And the lens which I'm wearing right now is monthly lens. So you just got to be like, you have to use this lens maybe for 8 hours max. Don't prolong your lens time, otherwise it is going to feel dry or it is going to be uncomfortable. Till now there is no uncomfortableness or dryness on my eyes. It is fine, and My uncle, neighbor uncle, felt a huge difference on my face because it popped my eye really. Because I have a tiny eye which is like very small. You'll have to find if I'm wearing eyeliner or not. That's how small it is. But after wearing this lens, he felt huge difference on my face. He felt my face look brighter because he has never seen me wearing any colored lens before. So there is a difference for the first time people who was seeing you with colored lens. Please comment below if you have noticed the difference between the grey and sterling grey. I'll see you tomorrow. Tata.